Hey, what's up, you guys? Blake over here at Coatic-Lab. As a car owner nowadays, you know that keeping your vehicle's paint in pristine condition is of top priority. However, driving on the roads can expose your car to all sorts of hazards that can damage your vehicle's paint, from rock chips, dings, scuffs, and even bird droppings. This is where paint protection film comes into play, or commonly known as PPF. Here at Coatic-Lab, we offer a high-quality install as well as paint refinement to ensure overall we get the highest possible fit, finish, and quality. Paint protection film will keep your car looking like new for years to come. Paint protection film is a durable layer that is placed over top of your vehicle's paint, and it is custom fit to the exact specifications of your vehicle. Now, the cool thing is paint protection comes in either clear or matte variants like we have on this Bronco behind me, and it is meant to absorb physical debris impact that would typically damage your vehicle's paint. When it comes time to remove your vehicle's paint protection film, the awesome thing is that after removing the film from the vehicle, the paint underneath will look as it did day one when you picked it up off the lot from the dealership. So if you're looking to keep your vehicle's paint looking like new for years to come, paint protection film is the answer. Come on down to the lab, check us out here in Clearfield, Utah.